Today is special. It is Sofia's last big decision. And a new beginning.
A job, a choice, and a goodbye. Our final story together. We will speak slowly.
Welcome back to 2 Cups English. 1 story, 2 cups, 5 minutes. I'm Maya. Today.
And I'm Jack. Episode 7, Level A2. Grab your coffee, let's begin. One morning, Sofia got a letter. A very important letter. It was a job offer.
Her dream job, but in another city, far away. I have to move. You must go.
Sofia is torn.
My dream job, but so far away. What about Anna? What about home? What is wrong? Tell me. We share everything.
Anna read the letter. And she was not sad. She was proud.
This is your dream. You must go. I am so happy for you.
Sofia was scared to leave her best friend, but Anna believed in her.
You can do this. Thank you. Do you remember this suitcase?
From her very first day in Canada?
Are you ready for this?
Sofia came with nothing. Now she has friends, a home, and a dream.
Quick pause. 5 useful words from the story. Repeat after me. Number 1, offer. A chance someone gives you. Your turn. Offer. Number 2, dream. Something you really, really want. Your turn. Dream.
Number 3, decide. To choose what to do. Your turn. Decide. Number 4, goodbye. What you say when you leave. Your turn. Goodbye.
Number 5, brave. Not afraid to do hard things.
Your turn.
Brave.
Back to the story. The day came for Sofia to leave. A big day.
At the station, the 2 friends stood together.
It was time to say goodbye. I will miss you. Call me when you are.
Anna has a special parting gift for Sofia.
So you never forget me. Best friends, always.
They hugged for a long time. Friends from Brazil, now family in Canada.
Thank you for everything, Anna. This is not goodbye. See you soon.
Sofia looked out the window. A new city, a new dream, a brave new start.
And Anna smiled, because real friends are never truly far apart. And so Sofia's story comes full circle, from one first day to another.
Quiz time! 3 questions. Question 1. What did Sofia get in the letter? Yes, a job offer, her dream job.
Question 2. How did Anna feel? Yes, proud and happy for her.
Question 3. What did Anna give Sofia? Yes, a framed photo of them.
Thank you for following Sofia's whole journey with us. What a story. What a story.
But this is not the end. Something new and exciting is coming.
Wait for next Saturday. Something new is coming.
See you then.
Subscribe 2 Cups English and hit bell icon.